hi, Shay.
Hi.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're just plasti dipping the tail lights, and we got the third brake light. It's off. Over here, plasti dipping, drying. Now this is one coat of regular plasti dip, the black, and then we're gonna go back with a glossifier here. Put that maybe 4 to 5 coats. Give it that real nice shine on it. That's what they look like for now. This is a 2015 Ram. Got some custom work done to it. My daughter, she's inside, 6-year-old. Been helping me all day. We washed the truck, and now we're doing this. Just let me know what y'all think, and we'll continue. And let me get some of that glossifier on there for y'all. Say hi, Shay.